Got a 2018 Toyota Camry. Fuel door don't like to pop open when you push the button. Doesn't want to pop open, so you have to pop the trunk. Go inside the trunk right here. Look up in here. See the little pink doohickey here? You have to pull that and hold it, right? When you hold it, you have to come here and push on the fuel door so you can open it. You want to stop that from happening, you need to pull this out, the spring, stretch it out a little bit, close it, and now it pops open just enough where you can come and pull it. Stretch it out a little more, close it, push the button, it pops all the way open. But it's going to go back to the same way. You're going to have to keep doing that. Easy fix. If you could find a spring from somewhere. I don't remember where I got this from, but it's a spring that's about the size of it. You can compare it to something here, get like a general idea of the size of it. You want to take this spring and put it somewhere on this door to where when you push the button it helps pops it open. The spot I found is right here up under that little tab there. You won't even need that anymore. You get this on here, right? You just find a way to get it up in there. You thread it on like so. Now let me show you something. We're gonna close this. Watch this thing pop open every time. So find yourself a spring every time. I forget where I got that spring from, but I've got it sitting right there, and there's no more problems. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel.